Guys, look at this amazing engineering marvel.
Welcome to the stunning Hoover Dam, one of the most impressive man-made wonders on Earth. It is a colossal engineering achievement that stands as a symbol of American innovation and progress. It's located on the Colorado River and straddles the border between Nevada and Arizona. It was completed in 1936 and is one of the greatest engineering achievements of the 20th century. This arch-gravity dam stands at a staggering 726 feet high and spans over 1,244 feet wide. Impressive, isn't it? Join us as we uncover the fascinating history and marvel at this engineering masterpiece.
Hello guys, welcome to the world-famous Hoover Dam.
Situated in the Colorado River between Nevada and Arizona and creates Lake Mead in the background. It's an engineering.
Right now the temperature is 89. Man, it's really hot. So the Hoover Dam is probably like 40 minutes away from the Las Vegas downtown. I'm ready for a nap. Our flight this morning was 6:45, so around like 2:30 we got up and shower everything. We thought I'd get some sleep all the way, but that really did not happen. Guys, we just made a quick stop here because there's a beautiful scenic overlook spot here, and the dam is probably like 5-6 miles to go from here, but the view from this scenic spot is awesome, so we don't want to miss it. So let's go and take a look.
Isn't it amazing to find such a beautiful oasis in the middle of this vast desert?
Guys, we just stopped at the second scenic spot. It's an absolutely amazing view from here, and this is Mead Lake. It began filling in 1935 when Hoover Dam was under construction, and this is the largest man-made reservoir in the United States, with the approximate 112 miles length and 247 surface with approximate 500 feet depth. Now right now this section of the lake is called the Boulder Dam. Actually, this is the end part of the Mead Lake. Guys, before entering to the dam, there's a security checkpoint. All the vehicle will be inspected. Yeah, no gun, no drones. Welcome to Hoover Dam. Scenic view. There's another scenic view. This is the bridge scenic view, which is the third one. So let's go and take a look. Okay guys, the other two viewpoints was pretty easy. We just parked the car right there. We can stand and view it, but the bridge viewpoint require a little bit of hiking. So that's the place we are gonna do the short hiking to the top. So we got two options for hike. Either you can do through the steps, or you can hike through the ramp. Oh, she's all the way there because she's taking the steps. That's easier.
$5.
This is the best viewpoint from where we can see this amazing Hoover Dam. So we stand actually on a bridge. This is a bridge. It's called Michael Calhan and Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. It's almost 290 feet tall high. So now we are gonna go down, all the way down there, and you can drive on the top of the arch dam, and we will probably park over there, and we are gonna explore the dam a little bit more. In 1931, they started the construction of Hoover Dam, and in 1936, the construction was completed, and the President Franklin Roosevelt dedicated this amazing arch dam to the nation. The cost for the construction was like a $36 million. If you convert that one to the present time, it's gonna be like almost like $800 million. So it was one of the expensive construction project. So I'm so excited, and next we are gonna walk to the top of the dam. What tour?
They have a tour that you can take to the dam.
They also offer a tour to inside the dam actually, so I guess it's a $30 per person, right?
I think that's what it says.
Yeah, that's what we think. I'm not sure, so we're just gonna go down and inquire the details, and if possible we want to do that one. That would be a wonderful experience. So we just got inside. They had a security check-in, and here so they just took us down to 550 feet down. So the Hoover Dam has two power plants. One is on the Nevada side, the other one is on the Arizona side. So the guide is going to take us to the Nevada side and show us how the power plant and the function and everything.
Pelton water wheel. We also have one on the Arizona side. The Peltons produce 2.4 megawatts of power, but that's strictly for in-house use. That's going to run our elevators, lights, everything we need here at the dam. Next, I'd like you to look at those red cylinders with the blue tops.
So guys, the dam wall, it starts from right here. From here to the lake, 420 feet wide. They have the concrete. So this is the power plant on the Nevada side. On the other side, they have another power plant that's for the Arizona states. Guys, from the top of that powerhouse to the lake, the thickness of the concrete is 420 feet. And again, from the powerhouse, if you go another like a 60 feet down, that's the base of the dam. From there to the lake, the thickness of the concrete is 640 feet. The Colorado River is still keep flowing towards the southwest and benefiting over 40 million people. So guys, finally we were on the top of the dam. The length of the top side of this dam is 1,244 feet. The width of the dam is 44 feet on the top and 660 feet on the bottom. Both sides, in Arizona side and in Nevada side, they have the intake towers, 2 towers each, which take the water down to the plant to convert into the hydraulic power.
If you look out here in the canyon, you'll see a distinct white line that demarks the different levels on the stone. The white was the level of the water in 1983 when it flooded. I think the guide said that it rained for 60 days and it almost went over the crest of the dam, only 7 feet shy. Said the spillways on either side were extremely busy trying to divert the water from the crest of the dam. Typically, they said this is about 30 feet higher than what the current level is. They would like to have it about 100 to 175 feet higher than what it currently is. But I think they said it's about 48% right now. So
imagine the construction of this dam. It's really amazing and unbelievable. Around 3,500 workers working in a 3-shift, 24 hours in a day, 7 days in a week, and 363 days in a year, because every year 2 days they get off, and they work 5 years to complete this amazing construction. So each of these 2 spillways at the Hoover Dam can handle the flow of Niagara Falls. They are massive. I'm gonna show you. So right there you have the Colorado River. In case if the flood happens or the overflow happens, always the water comes here and it's spilled right here. And take a look, it's crazy. In 1931, when they began the construction of this spillway, it took 2 years to complete the construction of the both spillways.
the sun is starting to set on our day here at Hoover Dam, and we have a long drive to get to our next destination. It was a fun day though. It was hot, but educational and very interesting.
We really enjoy and hope you enjoy this video as well. And with more adventures, see you all next time.
When we hit the trail. See ya!